Is the biggest problem of your life? What is the biggest hurdle of your life? What is the biggest problem that is stopping you from becoming a good communicator? What is that problem is always going in your mind, and that problem always revolves in your mind all the time? Have you ever thought about it? If no, then this video is especially for you, because in this video I'm gonna tell you only 3 lines, and if you follow these 3 lines, then definitely you will feel yourself, you will observe yourself that how you have changed your life. Yes friends, you heard me right. I'm gonna share 3 lines. Yes, again I'm saying I'm gonna share only 3 lines that can make your life better. So without losing your patient, without becoming indifference, you have to watch this video till the end, because if you skip a single part, a single second of this video, then you will regret yourself entire life. So first of all, what is the biggest problem that you are afraid of speaking English, that you are thinking yourself that I am unable to speak English? Why? What is that problem? The problem is perfection. The problem is perfection. Yes, you heard me right. Your biggest problem is perfection. We always think about that, if I am perfect in any particular thing, like if I am perfect in grammar, if I am perfect in any special topic, tenses, modals, conditions, if I know all the parts of the grammar, then I will open my mouth and I will speak English. But you are thinking wrongly, because the perfect time will not come in your life. You have to start where you are. So your first line is start wherever you are. Yes, start wherever you are. Don't wait for the perfection. If we will wait for the perfection, that we will regret ourselves. So there is no time for perfection. You have to start your journey from where you are. Maybe you are sitting on your chair and you will be lying on your bed. So don't wait for the perfect time, just you have to start. Okay, so your first line is start wherever you are. Now move on to the second line, and that is very special. Yes, it is a gobsmacking line, and that is your use whatever you have. Yes, you heard me right. You have to utilize your all things, like your own brain, your own study material, your own mobile camera, your mic, okay, if you have. And you have to use your environment. So you don't wait for the perfection, and use whatever you have. Does not matter if you are the one who is waiting for perfection. If you are waiting that the camera will be have, then I will start my journey. And I have ordered a book, okay, via online, and that book will be gotten by me. Then I will start my journey. After this month, after this festival, after his or her ceremony, I will start my journey. Okay, so this is the wrong way to start your journey, because perfect time and perfection will not come to you. So your second line was use whatever you have. Use whatever you have. Okay, don't wait for the real things. If I will have smartphone, I will have smart camera, then I will start my journey of speaking English. No, you don't have to think like that. Whatever you have, just use it. Okay, everyone has a phone, everyone has a phone, that, and I can say I am shooting from my mobile. Okay, so you have also mobile phone. Just you have to open your camera, and you have to open your mouth and start speaking, and you shoot your video and observe your body language, your facial expressions, your hand movements. So all of these things will be cleared in, I think, in 1 month. So use whatever you have. Use your friend who is sitting next to you, use your partner, use your classmate, okay, use your parents, use your seniors. So why they are your friends, just use them. Okay, you have to use. And whatever book you have, does not you don't wait for the perfect book. Whatever you have, maybe your literature book, your class book, your grammar book. So just you use it, and what the things are inside your book, just you have to read it out, and you have to follow, you have to speak. Okay, so your second line was use whatever you have. Okay, now we are moving on to the third line, and that is very 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 special for you. It is very useful, very significant. I have no words to say about that line, and that line is do whatever you can. Yes, do whatever you can. You are the one who will change your life. Nobody is going to change your life. If you are thinking that someone will come on a special day and that will change your life, then no, my dear, no one will change your life. You are the one who will change your life. So do whatever you can. If you want to become a good communicator, then you have to communicate with other people. If you want to become a good speaker, then you will have to hold a mic and you have to open your mouth and just speak it out on any particular topic. Okay, if you want to become a cricketer, then you will have to do practice, practice, practice. A lots of practice will be done by you. Okay, and if you want to become a dancer, does not matter. If you want to become a singer, then you will have to dance, you will have to practice, you will have to enhance your own quality. So do whatever you can. This is totally depends upon you. Nobody will change your life, nobody will come, okay, and he will help you. If you are thinking, then no, only 2 or 3 persons in this world who will help you to enhance your own quality. First person of this world is you, and the second person is your parents, and third person is your maybe your good friend whom you trust most. So these are few people, okay, on them you can rely. But the first thing, you have to believe in yourself, in yourself. Just commitment yourself that I will do this and I am not afraid. I can do this because all the power within me, God is with me. So what is there to be scared? Okay, so whatever you have, just use it and start wherever you are and do whatever you can. If you will not do your work today, then this will be regression from your entire life. So you don't have to regret in your further lives. Okay, again I'm saying, you are the one who will change your life. Nobody is going to change your life. So use whatever you have and start wherever you are and do whatever you can. If you are thinking yourself 2 hours spending for my study, for my speaking English is not sufficient, then you have to speak 3 hours. Not 3 hours, 1 hour is enough. But if you have not much time, then what about that? Only spending 30 minutes or 25 minutes will change your own communication. Yeah, if you are a beginner, then you have to practice, practice, practice. Yeah, it is said in others YouTubers that only 20 minutes, 25 minutes are enough. But if you are willing to enhance your own communication very faster, okay, so you will have to practice a lot for 1 hour, for 2 hours. How much time you have, just use it. Okay, if you can wake early in the morning, then you can wake up. Okay, if you are sleeping late at night because of your practicing, then this is okay. No worries about that. Okay, so do whatever you can, do whatever you can, because you have to change your life, you have to change your generation. You are the one who will change your generation. If you want to generational development, then who will change it? You will change it, man, you will change it. So what are you looking for? So these 3 lines you have to always keep in your mind. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. I hope you must have learned something from this video. If you have learned something from this video, then please share this video. I'm not saying subscribe this video, no, share this video to enhance your friends' communication, who are very striving to enhance their communication, who are feeling bad, who are feeling confused in their lives. So this is the video that will help them a lot. Wish you all the very best. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing yourself.